Hello friends, welcome to our show, AU News Analysis. I am Plavan Das, here for you with some new interesting stories.
Sodarghat Bridge is one of the major bridges in Assam's Borakali region. It is one of the most important connecting link between Silchar and its nearby towns.
The number of buses of Assam University are contradicting with the number of students. Students face huge problem while coming to Assam University on a daily basis.
Roads are crowded with people in huge number for buying new clothes and dresses for the occasion of Durga Puja.
The bad road conditions of Silchar has become a scar on the face of this town.
Regular strikes in Barak Valley has increased the rate of vegetables in Arongmara market. It has created a huge problem for the students as well as the local people and especially for the girls.
The people of Dargapanna near Assam University, this area is depending on the trade of fish selling on the roadside.
This festive season, Pushpa Art Unit is all set with its group painting exhibition. Painting allows us to perceive the world in our own ways, where every viewer gets a different perspective.
Mahala is the invocation of goddess Durga in Descendona. This is done to chanting of mantras. On the Ashish Day, people pray for their deceased relatives and take a dip into a river. This is called Tatvan.
The much-awaited yearly magazine Prachi Prangan 2015 edition has been launched today at the Bipin Chandrapal Seminar Hall of the university.
We are here at Assam University Silchar, where an environmental program is organized by the Department of Business Administration.
Arongmara, being a small village near Assam University Silchar, is having its varied culture and traditions.
The campaign includes rally, street play and mind show to generate awareness about cleanliness and environmental issues.
Mahalaya, an auspicious occasion observed 7 days before the greatest festival of the Bengalis, Durga Puja. It is a kind of invocation or invitation to allow the goddess of supreme power, Ma Durga, to descend on earth.
For any medical emergency, they go to Silchar, which is 20 kilometers away. The local authorities of this area also don't take any further steps to improve the medical facilities.
He also mentioned that music system should not exceed 70 decibels, which could create noise in the town. DC has taken the initiative so that people could enjoy this Puja festival in a safer way.
Terrorism is one of the burning issues not only in the northeast India but across the globe.
With the arriving of Durga Puja, the situation has worsened. Vehicles have increased and it takes hours to reach the destination.
As you can see, now we are standing in Janigan Silchar, the business hub of the town. The small-scale business persons are eagerly waiting for their customer to buy their products with high expectation of a successful yearly turnover.
The lack of customers is hampering their business as well as their livelihood.
The students of the college, with the help of National Service Scheme of the central government, have extended their helping hands towards the poor children of the slum areas of Silchar.
Out of 8 posts, 6 seats have been occupied by the general candidates and the other 2 by ABVP and NSY candidates each.
The countdown has begun in Silchar for the biggest festival Durga Puja with idol making. We can see the idol makers are busy in giving their final touch. People are ready for welcoming the divine goddess of power, Ma Durga, in the town.
The road construction is a day-to-day process for the people of Barak Valley, and Arongmara is no less in it. The workers are working hard to complete the road before the Puja festival.
This is Motushi Gupta with camera person Dibbojyoti Das reporting for AUTV.
With camera person Plavan Das, this is Rimi Datta reporting for AUTV.
This is Monos Bosumtari with camera person Dibbojyoti Das reporting for AUTV.
With camera person Plavan Das, this is Shushmita Paul reporting for AUTV.
This is Jishnu Das with camera person Anupurva Chaudhary reporting for AUTV.
This is Dibojyoti Das with camera person Manoj Bosumtari for AUT.
This is Piana Bhattacharjee with camera person Dibojyoti Das reporting for AUTV.
With camera person Deboshri Dey, this is Tensi Atom reporting for AUTV.
With camera person Bashok Goswami, this is Nizalala reporting for AUTV.
With camera person Azim Barbuya, this is Sangeeta Chaudhary reporting for AUTV.
With camera person Azim Ahmed Barbuya, this is Bashok Goswami reporting for AUTV.
With camera person Shutapa Mishra and Shivapriya Chaudhary, this is Parmita Das reporting for AUTV.
This is Deboshri Dey with camera person Tensi Atom for AUTV.
This is Anupurva Chaudhary with camera person Vishnu Das reporting for AUTV.
With camera person Sangeeta Chaudhary, this is Azim Barbuya reporting for AUTV.
This is Shivapriya Chaudhary with camera person Anupurva Chaudhary and Parmita Das reporting for AUTV.
With camera person Shainika Deb, this is Somali Bhattacharjee reporting for AUTV. This is Shainika Deb with camera person Somali Bhattacharjee reporting for AUTV.
This is Sutapa Mishra with camera person Vishnu Das reporting from Goldiri Mall Silchar for AUTV.
This is Sundarjit Singh with camera person Sutapa Misra reporting for AUTV.
This is Neha Jain along with camera person Anupurva Chaudhary reporting for AUTV.
With camera person Somali Bhattacharjee, this is Rashmi Dev reporting for AUTV Silchar.
Thank you for watching our show. We will meet again next week with some new stories.